Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to master the Lian kit. Okay? So let's get right into it. Let's go solos. This is honestly the best way to master Lian kit. Good for rushing too. This kit's kind of pay to win for me. Like very pay to win. The queue's taking longer than usual, I'm not gonna lie. Come on, Bedwars, queue. Come on, Bedwars. It's just taking a long time. I'm gonna fly. See ya. Oh. The moment I want to do something fun like fly up into the sky, Bedwars just like, no, I'm teleporting in the direction. I'm happy. Oh, let's go. See that red dot? See that red dot? If you press Q and you have swords, it literally targets them. So if you're rushing, you wanna find the red dot, or when they're rushing forward you wanna press Q, and it's gonna like rush the swords on them, and then it's gonna do like 20 extra damage with 3 tick fire damage, like 3 times 3 tick fire damage. That's basically like 9 damage plus 20. You get 29 more damage, and like the rest of the sword fight, you basically get extra. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. This is easy. I've won a lot of games with Lian because it is my favorite kit. I can't tell that's blue. Look at him. I'm gonna use Lian. Look at that. So dead. I take this. Then I run. I'm gonna bleed the void. I may get killed, but I have nothing on me, like literally nothing. Make sure I have some blocks. Look, oh, that's white. White's pirate. Look at that. Dead. Watch this, watch this, watch this. I'm gonna camp on top of this base. Get some iron, I'm gonna combo them. Watch this, watch this. And he's dead. Oh, okay. Well, you see guys, this is like the best kit ever. I don't think there's a kit better than Lian. Now I'm just gonna rush this guy. Hey, those arms are mine, bro. Ooh. Clutched. Watch this, watch this. Look at that. So much extra damage. I'm just gonna stay up here, buddy, and there's nothing you can do. You can run. I'm a 5-4. Buddy, you thought I didn't see that? Sorry, buddy. Dude, I am destroying people. Fall back to my base. See, 6 kills already. 6 kills in a matter of 3 minutes. This kid just can't be stopped. You can't stop this kid. There's not a lot of people left. There's only blue, pink, and brown. And if I don't let them get more OP, then I'll be fine. I'll be good in the freaking hood. Let's go rush. Now he's gonna rush. Now I summon into the void. Never mind, he sends me. I thought he was dead. God dang it. Bro, He flew into the void though hard. Okay, I died once, guys. I died once to an unexpected situation. Okay, I'm not letting my guard down anymore. Let's go, rush! But the Lian kit is so good. See, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It's absolutely for free. Like, you don't have to pay anything. Just sub. Oh, look, he's dead. There you go. That kill feels good. And also, once you're watching this video, just watch it over and over again to like copy what I do, because I build up a little bit, Lian them, and then start bopping them. It's honestly very easy with this kit. You just destroy people. Free XP. It's gonna be a short video, bro. Look at me. I'm not doing anything. I'm just literally wiping them out. Just like that. Is leather armor. I use firecrackers, which I don't like. Now look, I'm very low, with 5 HP, but I can stay up here. Okay, he's building up. Front's the wood. No, I didn't get his bed. No, you're dead, you're dead, you're dead. Let's go. Let's go. Bed is gone, bed is gone. Oh, bro's a runner. Hey, dude, what you gonna do? Come back here, bro. Yes. He's so dead. Oh no. Buddy, you're dead. Yep, sorry. GG. Well, yeah, guys, that is how you just master this kit. Wow. Wow. See how fast you can win? This kit is just too overpowered for the price of only 800 Robux. I'll take it. Honestly, I'll take it. And it's a permanent kit. And you can never get it again. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and I'm also doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers where to give 8 people whatever they want from the kit item shop. So if you guys want that to happen sooner, make sure to smash the subscribe button, smash that like button, comment using down below. And I'm Mark, and I'm out.